What's the meaning of chubby? Chubby. Chubby.
Chubby. Chubby. Chubby is an adjective used to describe someone or something that is pleasantly plump and round, with a soft and curvy appearance. The word typically carries a positive connotation, suggesting a healthy and happy appearance. When used to describe a person, it implies a certain cuteness or charm in their rounded features. However, the word can also be considered as subjective and may have different meanings depending on cultural context and personal preferences. Overall, chubby conveys an image of comfort, warmth, and approachability.